In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Adobe Acrobat Reader. If you already have an Adobe Creative Cloud subscription, open your account and sign in. From the main dashboard, click on the Apps option located on the left side of the screen. Scroll down until you find Acrobat. Once you see it, click on the Install button next to it. The installation process will begin automatically. Depending on your internet connection, the installation may take a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, Adobe Acrobat Reader will open automatically. If you don't have a Creative Cloud subscription, you can still download the free version of Adobe Acrobat Reader. Open a browser on your computer and search for Download Adobe Reader. Make sure to click on the official Adobe website link. On the download page, you will see an option to download Adobe Acrobat Reader. Click on the Download button, and a setup file will be saved to your device. After the setup file is downloaded, go to the location where the file is saved and double-click on it to begin the installation. The installation wizard will guide you through the process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once the installation is finished, Adobe Acrobat Reader will open automatically. The free version of Adobe Reader allows you to open, view, and print PDF files. However, if you need advanced features such as editing, exporting, and combining files, you will need to upgrade to the Pro version. If you want to try the Pro version, go to Home tab in Adobe Acrobat and select Try Acrobat Pro from the upper right-hand side of your screen. And this is how you can download and install Adobe Acrobat Reader on your computer.